Calling print in the middle of a Python list comprehension. So I'm trying to pull off a trick I actually first heard about on this site. The idea being that you can call an arbitrary function at every step of a list comp by sticking it inside an if statement that will always return true. But that code gives a syntax error. If I wrap the function I want to call like this, though, it produces the desired output. So I was wondering what the difference is in Python's mind between the two, because I can't tell what it could be. Both functions return none, right?
You cannot mix statements, like print in Python 2, with a list comprehension. However, you can make print a function by adding at the top of your file. This turns print into a function for the whole module. However, you are using the statement true or something, and that will never evaluate something because Python Boolean expressions short circuit. You want to turn that around. There is no point in evaluating the right-hand side of a or expression if the left-hand side already evaluated to true. Nothing the right-hand side can come up with will make the whole expression false, ever. You really want to avoid such side effects in a list comprehension though. Use a proper loop and keep such surprises out of your code. Using if something or true is really a hack that will confuse future maintainers of your code, including you.
In Python 2.x, print is not a function. It became a function in Python 3.
Print is a statement in py2x, not expression, so it can't be used where an expression is expected. You need to import print underscore function from underscore underscore future underscore underscore in order to make it work. Note that as print returns none, so in your or condition it must be placed first or use an and condition, if true and not print I.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.